Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your AT&T prepaid SIM. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone is unlocked and supports the correct AT&T network bands. Turn off your phone completely to avoid any SIM detection issues. Find the SIM tray slot on your phone, or remove the back cover if your model uses one. Insert the AT&T prepaid SIM into the tray in the correct orientation, matching the cut corner. Push the tray back and gently until it sits flush with the phone frame. Turn your phone back on and wait for it to detect the SIM card. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the activation pages load faster. Locate the AT&T prepaid SIM packaging and find the ICSID number printed on the card or package. Also note your zip code because AT&T may use it to assign your local number. Open your phone's browser and go to the AT&T prepaid activation page for your region. Select the option to activate a new SIM or new line, depending on what you purchased. Enter the ICSID when prompted and double-check every digit before continuing. If asked for an IMEI, open your phone settings and find the IMEI, or dial *#06# to display it. Choose whether you want a new phone number or to transfer an existing number. If you are transferring, enter your current carrier account number and transfer PIN exactly as provided. Pick your AT&T prepaid plan and confirm the monthly price and included data. Add any required prepaid refill or payment method and complete the checkout step. Submit the activation request and wait for the confirmation screen to appear. Restart your phone once after activation so the network settings refresh properly. After reboot, check the top of the screen for AT&T signal bars or AT&T as the carrier name. Make a quick test call to any number to confirm voice service is working. Send a test SMS message to confirm basic messaging is active. Turn off Wi-Fi and open a web page to confirm mobile data is working. If mobile data does not work, go to cellular settings and ensure cellular data is turned on. If needed, update the APN settings to AT&T prepaid values based on AT&T's official support page. For iPhone, check Settings, General, About and accept any carrier settings update that appears. For Android, check for a carrier services or system update and install it if available. If you still have no service, remove and reinsert the SIM. Then contact AT&T prepaid support with your ICSID and IMEI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.